I've been reading some Marcus Aurelius, and if you know who that is a former Roman emperor. He wrote the Meditations, which were journal entries that he used to help him with his life. Marcus Aurelius was a practicing Stoic, and I've watched a lot of what he says, and I have tried to embody a lot of the principles that he said. And now I've come up with my own Stoic principles that I think if you were to listen to, you would see a massive increase in your life. These are Stoic principles that have helped me, and I think it will help you. Who am I? My name is Noel O'Harry, the sexiest man on the planet. Uh, I'm here to live my life, learn, and then teach the best I can. If that's something you want, feel free to subscribe down below or join my Discord. We would love to meet you and talk to you. Number one, never do anything that you know will taint your future. Every time you decide to succumb to the temptations on life, you are knowingly causing pain for the future version of yourself. Would you love anyone that causes you pain? Self love will be met when your entire focus is doing things that will benefit your future self. I'm not gonna lie, I wrote this because I had a masturbation addiction. And every time, I'm sure if you're watching this, maybe you've gone through that too. Every time you masturbate, you always feel worse afterwards. Before, it feels fine. During, it probably feels good, but afterwards, you feel like crap. And I realize I don't want to feel like crap anymore. I'm not going to keep putting my future self in that position. Always do things that will help your future self. Do not measure yourself on how you feel. Measure yourself on the actions you decide to do. Completing or even attempting a task with no motivation is far more admirable than doing something when you feel like it. Sometimes motivation just isn't there. You feel depressed, sad, but there's still things you have to get done. If you decide to do things when you don't feel like it, you have my respect. That is something incredibly hard, and most people have problems doing it. Pain and suffering is part of what it means to be alive. Trying to avoid pain is doing yourself an injustice. What doesn't kill you has the potential to build you. Every time you take the easy way out, you're not allowing yourself to be as strong as you can be. Choose the difficult options. Do not allow the criticism of someone you do not like to shake you off course. Never talk down on the people you love to appease another. It is not the worth to the cost to your soul. Never talk down to or about yourself ever. Negativity is a virus that will contaminate your brain and self image if you allow it. Your view of yourself should sit high in your mind. Sometimes we make self deprecating jokes and we think it's just jokes, but little by little, that could eat away at our self confidence. You have to be very careful how you speak to yourself and how you view yourself. Constantly joking about how much of a loser you are will make you a loser. My belief in God gives me purpose and direction. For most of my life, I didn't have direction. I didn't know who I wanted to be. And right now, I start to get and understand what I truly want to be. And I think a big part of that is religion. I am personally going to be a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And I'm very grateful for everything they've taught me and all the help they've given me. You are the master of your own mind. Nothing can hurt you unless you allow it. The life you want is yours to have. Go and take it. Do not allow any force to come between you and your goals. Sometimes all you need to do is sit down and think. The most important question you can ask yourself when in a bad position: what is the best move on the chessboard? Prioritize using logic no matter how dire the situation may seem. These are my Stoic principles, and I'm constantly writing more. And these are principles that are helping me navigate through life. Hopefully, you understand some of these concepts, and it's going to do wonders for your life. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.